Good morning. Say hi. Hi. Good morning. Say good morning. Hi.
Freaking Gordon here. The crows. Now Brendan.
Good morning! All the way. Hey! Dali! Oh.
Look around what happened. The Dada Rook. Dada Rook. Dada Rook. Dada Rook. The Rook.
What's that?
Mama put. That's not for me. You can't eat it. Yeah.
Nasugit.
No, this.
Ashi. Sige na. Ay.
Hey, what are?
Okay, put it there.
I'm cooking egg, guys, and it's full with stairs. So slippery to get. I can't stand Mama.
Yes.
No.
Okay, I pray. Thank you for these blessings. Amen.
Say amen.
Sure ka?
What are you eating? What are you eating? Who's that? Hi, guys. Say hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
Hi, guys. Kiss, 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 kiss. Pray properly.
God, thank you for this friend.
Amen. Dirty kabudo.
What?
Austin, he remove his bib. Let's eat. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, happy Saturday. Yes, Saturday. It's Saturday today. And happy Saturday. Ang bilis. It's like how many days before Christmas? It's like December 14th, so maybe 10 days. 10 days before Christmas. Merry Christmas. Anyway, let's make breakfast for the family. It's 10 a.m. Not breakfast, brunch for the family. Let's make Filipino breakfast. So let's go. I'll be making tocino, pancit canton, and egg. The classic Filipino breakfast. Let's go. Canton. I got this pancit canton, the sweet and spicy flavor. We got it like when we went home in the Philippines last August. So we brought a lot of pancit canton and the other one, the Lucky Me noodles, the chicken noodles. Because their pancit canton here in the US is very different. Walang lasa. So we brought a lot. So until now, we still have stocks, a lot of stocks. So let's cool and cook these. I don't think I can cook this. It's so gahi. But we need to cook this. But let's make some paraan. You want to play? Army. Where is my army then? Can you make me one? Hmm?
Kahit, ang gani mo.
Anaa lang siya.
Ha?
Anaa lang siya para ibutangan mo siya sa kuan.
Silot na lang na.
Gamit na lang.
Bilagay ko kuhan eh. Pan.
Good morning,
Huh? Seriously?
Good.
What was your dream?
I've been around. I was at the tip of a bed.
Nasaan dakuan
Oh
naman?
yeah?
Lagay.
Good morning! Good morning! Good morning!
What tank do you ride?
The tank I like?
Yeah.
I like a missile tank. Can you make one for me? Dada made this one for me. It's not a tank! What is that?
This is a dump truck tank, and it's filled with 4 missiles inside it. And inside they have special missiles, and they can explode like crazy. And that's it.
Hi guys! Are you twinning?
Dada.
Good
Dada, play
afternoon!
Thunder Warriors.
Hey Siri. Play Thunder Roars.
We're going to the airport! Why are we going to the airport?
Now playing the Thunder Rolls by Garth
Not
Brooks
the-
tribute on Spotify.
Busi-busilat, buti-butitat, busi-busilat. Yan ang inat ng mga manbib. Good morning! We are at, where are we? Burlington! Hanap kami ng mga ano, we will be looking for some Christmas gifts and siguro like winter stuffs para gamitin namin sa Tennessee. This January, we're going to Tennessee?
What happened here? Asan ni? Kani? Ay,
Let me see. Which is? Oh, kuy, kuloy. Say sorry to kuya. Say sorry to kuya. He got a boo-boo. Because Austin pushed him. Let's go. Come with us at Burlington. Oh, hi. Oops, I don't have a watch. I forgot my watch. It's Bibiga. It's 11 a.m. Oh, it's girl. Guys. Hi. Hi, guys. Hi. Asyik. Hi. I want this. Here. I'm that girl na iikutin lahat. Lahat ng idol. Kuya, are you listening?
It's too big.
It's okay. It's okay. Oh, you look so cool.
So big.
It's so cool. Look at them. Look at them. Who's that? Namungkag naman kadong. Namungkag na kadong. Ay, naku. Kag si Austin. What is that? A car. You want a car? What is that? What is that? I like your hair.
Too hot.
Ay, putol man eh. Sige, sibing ko na siya.
Hello, we're back. We are at the MD Oriental store. We'll buy some groceries. Let's see. Pumapalit. Ay, batong. Ito ro, batong. Uy, mag-hug daw siya. Mag-hug daw siya. Oy. Hug you. Why are you crying?
Yeah, that. Hey, Mama. Can I taste, Mom? Can I
What?
taste?
Sure. Just a small piece?
I like small because I like doing proteins.
Okay, here we go.
Good thing up to 10 for now.
Ngulit din siya no, mga 4 years old din siya no. No? 4? No? No?